Remine Mobile, your Miami MLS mobile solution.
Customers receive your email, click on View Property. It opens up Remine on their mobile device. They allow it. They can view the property, see the listing details, see your information, the valuation and map, and more. They can choose to review the pictures, glide and always see your information and the property, etc. They can sign up once they click favorite, follow the process to sign up, and once they add in their information, they click to sign up, confirm the email, and come back, and they can see the property, and on the lower left, click on favorite, all on their mobile device.
Join your Miami trainers for a Remine mobile class. Thank you for being Miami members.